Alright, we're back again, day 2, wrapping the 240. As you can see, we have a full shop today. If you guys would have missed the previous video, new projects in the building. I actually have not even filmed that video yet, so I'm kind of all over the place with my content, but make sure you guys go check it out. Fully revealed, going over the whole build and exactly what the plan is with it, and kind of what's happening, I guess, starting, this coming week. Today, as if you guys missed the first wrapping day video, obviously we got our buddy Greg from Visual Expressions, straight up killing the game. The Wizards in the house. We have pretty much this fender good to go. We got it all prepped up. The fender and the door and the hatch are all complete. I guess we'll kind of give a quick, you know, this is by no means a reveal video, but obviously we're gonna show you the process. But yeah, man, this thing's looking real good. Tossed a bit of wax on it and it's just popping like no other. What do you think about it, Ryan? We are in focus this time.
Love it.
Loving it.
It's kind of weird.
It's weird.
But
it's kinda,
I'm ready to see it done.
It's kind of sad seeing it half and half. It's like being slowly consumed. But
to the dark side.
To the yeah. It's literally just changing sides from red to blue. But that's okay. Change is good.
Visualizing some beautiful rollers right now.
Dude, with the wheels I have planned, it's gonna look good. They don't know yet. They don't know, so we can't tell them.
They don't know.
They don't know about that. They think I'm rocking these wheels for the season, so we'll just let them believe that. No brake. Yeah, we got the Jesse setup, the Jesse Jetta setup from Fast and the Furious. No brakes needed.
You should just leave them.
So I'm thinking, man, it's probably good for weight reduction.
Yeah.
So yeah, man. But we're about to get some vinyl laid on this guy, and we're hopefully hold the whole passenger side of the car complete today. We'll see how it goes. No, doing a real good job.
Pretty stressful.
Appreciate you. Did you wash your hands before though?
Of course. I'm the cleanest person you'll meet.
Ever.
Nasty paws.
She knows what she's doing.
That's right, man.
It's the gym.
She is not a first timer.
No, she's not being easy.
You know, just doing a bit of filming with it, a little Sammy, little sandwich. Little progress update for you all here. As you can see, we got the center. This is actually the first time this piece is gonna be the color of the car.
Hold up, my bad.
Can you keep it down over there? All right, that's all right. Don't you worry about it.
All right.
It's okay. But yeah, like I was saying, this is gonna be the first time this piece is actually the same color as the car, which is awesome. It's been black the whole time, so that's in progress. Fender is over there, chilling. Rye's hanging out with it, cuddling. And then the door, looking nice. And then I'm currently working on sanding and prepping the rear quarter, which again is obviously taking way more time than anticipated. Obviously, you think you're just gonna kind of hit 1-2 spots, and then 1-2 spots turns into, I don't know, 40 or 50 spots. So, we out here, just grinding, you know what I mean? But it's just a good day, and we're making some This is just chaos in here. Ryan, what did I tell you about the music? So now we're measuring up the size of the vinyl. It's what you say, 90 inches long?
Yep.
9 inches long by like, I don't know, what is it, 2, 3 feet, 3 feet?
Yeah, it's about 40 inches.
40 inches long. So this is gonna be a large piece of vinyl. However, we're not putting it on this side yet because I still, as you guys remember from last video, I told you guys I kind of want to figure out if I want to patch this up, which probably I will end up doing, just to kind of delete it. We don't need it. So we're gonna go ahead and cut some vinyl out, get it laid, and we'll get a real good sense for how the car looks in this color, I think, once that quarter panel goes on. So once that's on, pretty much the whole, actually, yeah, the whole side of the car will be complete. So just rolling today. Also, again, guys, Greg's information will be down in the description. Visual Expressions. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. How many followers you got, Greg?
180.
All right, we're going. Let's get into 1,000. We got to get 1,000. So make sure you guys go check him out in the description. Super awesome.
I just started the page like a month ago.
A new page. We got to get this ramped up, get some traffic moving to it. And if you guys are local, if you guys even just want like your roof wrapped, your trunk wrapped, your anything, like just panel, you know, small stuff, he does it all. So anything from big to small, hit him up. You will not be disappointed. Oh, dude. Also, before I forget to mention, all right. Okay.
We got a constant rotiform, fucking.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 3SDM.
All right. So before I even forget to mention, guys, Greg also does powder coating. What else? Cerakoting, detailing. He's got deals on wheels, deals on tires. So if you guys are looking for anything, let me know. I'll let Greg know, or just hit him up on his page. That's probably the best way to do it. Direct to the source. So he does it all. Everything is top notch. Honestly, he's probably gonna be ending up doing my brake calipers when those are all ready to go here shortly. So stay tuned. Gonna be awesome.
Walk it out.
Woo! Now this is intimidating. That's a lot.
All my money coming from the dough. All I do is brag. All I do
We ready?
I am ready, yes. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Already filled the packer nice and tight up.
And just like that, in no time, we got the panel laid. Just got to go ahead and tuck the corners, obviously, but I mean that took no more than, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, and it's looking great, man. It's gonna be a whole nother ballpark when we get in like the full thing kind of tucked up and lights, you know, back on, bumper, everything back assembled, and obviously once we get our subframe back in. So stay tuned. Yeah, it's literally like a mirror, man. Yeah, like literally is a mirror. Holy hell. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's looking really good.
Dude, it looks like chrome on camera.
It does.
What? Oh man. I definitely picked the right color.
You like some rubber.
That's crazy. Corner game is just real strong.
Real legit.
It's just strong. I feel like today's been a lot of filming with one hand, and now I got a coffee in my hand. Before it was a sub. Who knows what's next?
Lost a couple jollies on the way.
Yeah, lost a couple jollies. That's all right. She loaded me up. That's okay. We could sacrifice one or two. Ah, yeah. I feel like right here, this looks like an absolute, like, people are probably freaking out at this point, but no. No problems here.
This right here?
Yeah, just like the kind of
She's a little
shriveled, a little wrinkly, but ain't no thing.
No.
A little bit of heat, a little bit of that magic touch. Oh yeah.
Whenever it looks like that to me, it reminds me like makes me think it's like stale.
What, the
stale vinyl? Yeah.
Oh,
It's kind of like.
yeah.
But I mean, just.
But she fresh. A little bit of heat.
Just back to it.
Toast her up a little bit. She back.
It's all on the wrist.
All on the wrist.
Give her the little Chubbs Peterson.
Oh, yes.
Give her the old Chubbs.
Yes. Yes. Dude, like, look at this. Ryan, look at this on the camera, man. Literally,
glass.
like, it looks like it's chrome. Like, doesn't it look like silver chrome?
Yeah.
Gnarly.
Gnar.
Gnar.
Can't wait till you slip the cap.
Whoa,
back
you
in
don't.
there.
You slipping what?
Your
what are you
fuel
slip-
door.
The cap in there? We got. Oh yeah. So just if you guys are wondering, we're just gonna go ahead and toss a bit of that ice cream paint job in there. Trim, obviously, we'll trim up a little bit more. That's not complete, but you know, I mean, technically, I guess, strictly speaking, you could wrap, but there's no need for that. That's never gonna be seen. We'll just toss some of that ice cream PJ in her. Not really sure.
Oh, what the hell?
Right? That's a blue light, clear backing paper, and it's just a. That's weird, man. Avery, you're doing some witchery over there.
Yeah.
Some tomfoolery.
You're supposed to use that piece also.
Coke, sponsor
Shout out
us.
to Vanilla Coke.
Woo. It's a long time to hold your breath.
Yeah, dude. And not blinking.
Yeah, right. And not blinking. Yeah, right. Woo! Oh yeah, that's crisp. That's crisp.
Oh, yeah.
That looks real good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
In here.
Fucking all up in here.
All up in her. She likes it though.
Oh, yeah.
She's about it. Oh yeah. Ooh. 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 Woo. That's just
Sexual.
yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the light, and I'm super excited to see the contrast between the light, and I feel like this is gonna look really awesome. Now, I don't know, I still have the gasket on here, like the Nissan kind of rubber seal to stop your leaks, so we'll kind of see, hopefully it holds up for us. Oh. Ooh. Yep. That's looking good. Damn. All right, we're just in assembly mode right now. We're gonna go. Car's done. Time to put it back together. No, this is a big moment. This is the first time this is going on. Ooh, her little soda pop.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice little soda.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh, that looks great.
Does it?
Oh shit.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
It's for all you haters that say rap can't look good.
Yeah, that's right. You guys have not seen a rap job done correctly in that case. Clearly you're wrong. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be it for today's video. So the car is actually pretty much halfway done as far as the wrapping goes. I got some hooligans walking in. Subscribe to them if you guys have not yet done so already. Where was I at? So yeah, the car is pretty much not done, but it is getting there, and the color looks so damn good. So make sure you guys stay tuned, turn those notifications on, subscribe if you guys have not done so already. It's late, we're out of here, calling it a night. Hope you guys have a great night, have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.